Welcome to Guide You Right channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn on dark mode, how to enable the dark mode on your MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Staring at our Mac screen for too long in a dark room can be hard on your eyes. Instead of subjecting yourself to bright colors and blinding white menus, you can turn on dark mode. How to do it? It's very simple. So first, as you can see in here, my MacBook is on the light mode. Now I want to change it. I want to switch into the dark mode. You can go to System Preferences. After that, you can go to General Settings. Click on General. So as you can see in here on the appearance, on Mac devices, there are three settings for appearance: light, dark, and auto. Light mode has like appearance like this that I'm using right now, and does not change. Well, I will to transition from light during the day to dark night, and dark mode has a dark appearance and does not change. It's effective for viewing document presentation, photos, movies, web pages, and more, according to Apple. So if you want to change to dark mode, of course you can choose on dark in here by clicking on dark. So now, as you can see in here, your MacBook is on the dark mode. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn on dark mode on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.